bote bandeko babolingo na yambi bina tu na kati ya China ngai. Boya kola Lingala. Hi, brothers and sisters. I welcome you to my YouTube channel to learn Lingala. Today, we are going to learn about conjunctions. Just like any other language, Lingala has conjunctions. And in Lingala, let us see how conjunction help us to construct sentences. And before we reach there, let us start by learning the meaning of a conjunction. What is a conjunction? That's what we are going to find out first. A conjunction. What's a conjunction? It is a word used to connect clauses or sentences or to connect words in the same clause. Like mpo. Mpo is for in Lingala. It explains a reason or purpose, just like because. Na, just like in Kiswahili, which means and, adds one thing to another. We have to, nor. Is used to present an alternative negative idea to an already stated negative idea. Kasi is but in English, shows a contrast. To again has two meanings. This is another meaning. It means or. Present an alternative or a choice. None, which means yet in English, none. Introduces a contrasting idea that follows the preceding idea logically. Mpo indicates the effect and result of consequences. Lingala conjunctions in singular. First person singular, nalingi, which translates to I like or I love. If you add me, first person singular is me or I. So in that case, if you want to add a conjunction to create a sentence like I like or I love, kolinga is to love or to like. So in that case of first person singular, it becomes nalingi, which means I like or I love. Number two is the second person singular. If you want to say you love or you like, you say olingi, which means you like or you love. Then third person singular is she, he, him, or it. And in that case, say alingi. Alingi. That goes that in the third person singular, he, which means he likes, or he loves, or she loves, or it likes. Let's see in plural. Lingala conjunction is in plural. We have personal, first person, where a group, where if I'm in a group and I'm the person who is the spokesperson on the behalf of the group, if we like something, I'll say tolingi, which means we like or we love. Second person singular is you. if I want to say that you like or you love, I'll say bolingi. 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 In that case, we change to bolingi, which means you like or you love. Third persons, plural, they. Balingi becomes balingi. They like or they love. Thank you very much for your time. Let us learn Malembe, Malembe, Lingala. I think by the time we finish this month, you'll be somewhere. That one, I'm very sure. So don't get tired. Just keep following my YouTube channel for new classes, for new lessons, and for new topics. I'll be posting. I'll never get tired. I've been looking for a forum like this to share ideas with you guys. Now I've been active on Facebook, on WhatsApp. I've been teaching Lingala, but I had not found a one-to-one platform like this one, where I would engage with you guys. So please continue subscribing. I'll be available and I'll do everything to see that you are you are equipped with the Lingala. You understand and you can talk the way we talk. You know, whenever we converse on Facebook, people like it, and you could be one of those people. So don't get tired of listening. Thank you very much.